First, open the Notepad. The code starts by importing the HTTP module, which provides functionalities to create an HTTP server. This function is used to create the server. Inside it, there's a callback function. First request represents the request from the client, and response used to send back the response to the client. The server sets a response header using this. This means the server responds with an HTTP status code of 200, which means OK, and the content type is text HTML, indicating that the response will be HTML. The server used this to write, "Hello, my name is Jenny P. Villanueva," which is what the client will see. After writing the response, this is called to finish the response and close the connection. The server listens for requests on port 8080. When you visit the link, the server responds with the message. This line prints a message in the terminal or console indicating that the server is running. Save the code in the desktop. Go to the Start menu and click on the Node.js command prompt. Now, command prompt is open. The location of the file and initiate the file. Copy the link and paste it on any browser.